In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Gmail. If you spend a lot of time in your inbox, switching to a darker interface can make reading easier on your eyes, especially at night, and it can even help conserve battery on some displays. I'll walk you through the exact clicks you need on the desktop web version of Gmail with a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your browser and signing in to your Gmail account. Once your inbox loads, head to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small cogwheel icon, which is the Settings button. Click that to open the Quick Settings panel on the right side. This panel lets you adjust layout, density, and, most importantly for us, your theme. In the Quick Settings panel, look for the Theme section. If you don't see the full set of options at first glance, simply scroll down within that panel until you find a link that says View All. Click View All to open Gmail's theme gallery. This brings up a window with a grid of theme and tiles you can choose from. Inside the theme gallery, scroll through the options until you spot the dark theme. It typically appears near the top and is often placed close to the default theme. You'll recognize it by its darker preview tile. Click the dark theme to select it. Gmail will show you an immediate preview in the background so you can get a feel for how your inbox, message list, and compose window will look with the darker palette. If you like what you see, confirm your choice by clicking Save. This applies the dark appearance across your Gmail interface right away. If anything looks off, such as a signature or label color that's harder to read, remember, you can always return to the same place and switch back to default or try a different theme. The change affects only your Gmail view, not the content of individual emails sent to you, and it won't alter how your messages appear to others. A couple of quick tips to round things out. If the interface looks a bit different on your screen, don't worry. Google occasionally updates the layout, but the steps are the same. Open Settings, find the theme area, choose View All, pick Dark, and save. Also, if you work late, dark mode can reduce glare and eye strain, but you can toggle back at any time using the same steps. That's all there is to it. Enjoy your darker, more comfortable inbox. And thanks for watching.